Hello and welcome to another video. For the past few weeks it's been raining every day and it's a great excuse to make apple crumble. I start by making some rose and strawberry green tea. Now I wait a few minutes to brew. For the crumble, I selected a few apples from a Too Good To Go box we buy a few days ago. I peel and cut the apples and place them in the baking dish. I roll and press a lemon on the counter to release the juice more easily and squeeze one of the halves to prevent oxidation of the apples. Any nut can be used in this recipe. As I only had macadamias this time, that's what I decided to use. You can add honey, maple syrup or any other of your choice. For the oats, I use the ones I already have in my home. And I add some cinnamon. Mix everything really well. I put some powdered ginger in the apples and place the oat mix on top of the apples. Press with a spoon until even and place the dish in the oven until it's crispy on top. After baking, you let the crumble cool down a little bit before you serve it. If you like this video, like and subscribe.